The much anticipated Limpopo Liquor Act ruling will see old licensed traders sell alcohol until 2 a.m., but new liquor applicants will fall under the regulation that prevents the sale of liquor after midnight. The judgment is in response to the EFF and the Sekhukhune Liquor Traders Association. For more on this conversation, we're joined now by Sello Mokwana, the Deputy Sekhukhune Liquor Traders Association chairperson. Good to have you, Sello, and thank you very much for your time. Is that the sum total of it, that those who already have existing license can operate until 2 a.m., but those who are coming in and getting new licenses will then fall into this new regulation?
Good evening, Tabo. Thanks again for the opportunity. Let me start by thanking my chairperson of the association, Limpopo, for the true leadership and the fearless which he has given credit to the association. So I guess this was the long overdue judgment which we've been waiting for, but in which how the court has presented to us. It is a victory for us as liquor traders, particularly in Limpopo, and Sekhukhune, particularly in large. If you could recall, our appeal to the court was that normal. We wanted an agent reveal, an agent relief on the court, so that we could come back and focus on Part B. So what the court has actually provided to us, it is in good favors and in good spirit of the liquor traders. Because of, if I could even extract it a little bit further, it was brought through the court attention by Judge Muller that no, the stage which the state was in, it was through a convention whereby they needed to convert all liquor or licensed traders into the new Liquor Act. But how the state handled this matter on the 1st of August, they didn't even uphold their right of communication by, in a sense of saying that they just wanted to implement, irrespective of that you were converted or you were the new applicant or not. So we give credit to the court, so in which how they handled the matter, because of it has brought a big relief to the liquor traders in Limpopo, particularly in large.
So let's talk then about that conversion process. What were the steps that were supposed to have been followed by the Department of Economic Development to bring in the old license holders into this new regime?
Yeah, no, it is clearly demonstrated by the court that no, it actually gave the department an opportunity so they could resolve these issues, because of it has been clearly shown that liquor traders and government, they've been in particular in business and for quite a long while. So it's a time whereby they could find a common ground, because of the convention which the government has lodged in the Gazette. It expires in 2024, in July 2024. But what came to a surprise is that it showed that no, the government was even rigid, that in a sense of saying that no, it just wanted to implement without doing proper consultation again with liquor traders. So, but we're happy that no, the matter is now under even the view of the sub-judice, so that anything which they do, it is to be done with in consultation with the people properly.
Yeah,
you understand.
All right, let's talk then. One of the issues was the reduction of the operating time, but the other issue was the raising of the license renewal fees. What did you get on that?
Yeah, on that particular, it's whereby the department and the MEC, they have to come back to us as liquor traders and provide sufficient leadership to us, particular in whole, that no, we can engage in discussion. And one point which we shouldn't lose, that as from the beginning, our point was clear. We want the reduction of the fees to be reduced, and we also want our 2 hours to be reinstated, so that we can go and launch the new amendment of the Liquor Act of 2009 together, happily so, as stakeholders and as government. So it was disappointing seeing a rigid government being arrogant. So at least, hence I'm saying that under the supervision of the court, maybe they'll show leadership and start confronting their stakeholders, particularly in large.
So you do not see any challenge, for example, in implementing this kind of split implementation where old license holders trade until 2 a.m. and new license holders fall within the regulation?
Yeah, actually, to be honest, the past 4 weeks, it has been very, very difficult for liquor traders because of they've also shown that no, there are disciplined and obliged liquor traders which are governed by the Constitution of South Africa, and they've shown that no, they've got faith in the courts. So it was a tough 4 weeks, but in terms of how the court have released them, it's acceptable in a sense of saying that no, their current standing the status quo should remain for now, and then for new applicants it should be applicable because of the government has already lodged. And then we also accept that because of we also want to see that our society, particularly in large, being participating in economic activities.
All right, Sello, much appreciated. Thank you very much for coming on in your intervention tonight. That is the Deputy Chairperson of the Sekhukhune Liquor Traders Association.